Hello everyone. Today we'll start 2018-19 NSO paper set B for class 6. So let's get started. Before that, a request, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. Let's start with the logical reasoning portion. Question 1. If second Saturday and all Sundays are holidays in a 30 days month beginning with Saturday, then how many days are working in that month? Total number of days in the month is 30 and number of days which are holiday is 6. So number of working days will be 30 minus 6, which is 24. So the answer will be option B. Now question 2. Some letters are coded as follows. The word which is coded as this is dash. Look at the table. You can find the code for this. So the correct answer will be option D. The code for this is Olympus. OLYMPUS. Now question number 3. In which of the following options given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts? Look at the figures carefully. Option C will be exactly embedded as one of its parts. So the answer will be option C. Question 4. Select a figure from the options which will complete the pattern in the given figure. The correct answer will be option B. Now question 5. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. The correct mirror image of the given figure will be option A. Now question 6. Which of the following Venn diagrams best depicts the relationship amongst India, Asia and Australia? Look at the pictures. The correct answer will be option C. India is a part of Asia, but Australia is not a part of Asia. So the correct answer will be option C. Now question 7. P, Q, R, S and T are to be seated in a row facing east, but R and S cannot be together. Also Q cannot be at third place. If P and Q are together and R is at the first place, then which of the following cannot be true? Here it is given R is at the first place, but R and S cannot sit together. So S cannot sit at the second place. So the correct answer will be option A. S is at the second place. So this statement cannot be true. Now question 8. Select a figure from the options which will continue the given series. Look at the figure series. The correct answer will be option A. In the figures, in every next figure, the pattern in each part rotates 90 degrees anti-clockwise and moves to the next part clockwise. So the correct answer will be option A. Now question 9. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. Look at the figures. The rule followed here is 108, 135, 144 and 171 all are divisible by 9. Similarly, in the second figure, all are divisible by 12. Now look at the third figure. 323, 357, 272 all are divisible by 17. From all the options, only 374 is divisible by 17. So the correct answer will be option C. Now question 10. If plus is called multiplication, division is called plus and minus is called division, then which of the following is divisible by the result of the given expression? 175 minus 25 divided by 5 plus 30. If we replace the sign, we'll get 175 divided by 25 plus 5 multiplied by 30. We'll get 157, which is divisible by 157. So the correct answer will be option A. Now coming to the science portion, question 11. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect? Statement I. Metric system is a standard unit of measurement and it was given by the French scientist. This is the correct statement. Now statement 2i. International System of Measurements is abbreviated as SI. This is the incorrect statement. International System of Units is abbreviated as SI. Statement 3i. Convenient unit for distance between Delhi and Mumbai is meter. This is also the incorrect statement. Convenient unit for distance between Delhi and Mumbai is kilometer. So the correct answer is option C. Statement 2i and 3i are the incorrect statement. Now question 12. Abhishek is walking from point S to the point P as shown in the figure. Which one of the following shows the correct order of the length of Abhishek's shadows from the longest to the shortest when he walks from point S to point P? The length of Abhishek's shadow depends on how far he is from the lamp above him. The more is the distance from the lamp, the longer his shadow is. So, when Abhishek is at point S, his shadow is the longest, and the shortest length of his shadow will be when he is directly below the lamp, that is at R. So, the correct answer will be option A, S, P, Q and R. Now question 13. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. When we see the trees near the track from a moving train, they appear to be moving. This statement is true. Now statement 2. The position of a tree near the track with respect to a moving train changes. This statement is also a true statement. And statement 2 is the explanation of statement 1. Because motion is a relative term, it is defined with respect to a reference frame. So the correct answer will be option A. Now question 14. A plotting compass is moved slowly towards the metal bar P along the path shown in the figure. What can you conclude about the metal bar P from the given figure? Look at the figure. Bar P is a magnet with right end as the S pole. As compass approaches P, its north pole is attracted to the S pole of magnet P as shown in the figure. If bar P is a magnetic material, the S pole of the compass will induce a N pole in the material, then the system is as shown in the figure. So the correct answer will be option B. Bar P is a magnet. Now question 15. Nidhi has two bulbs connected across two cells in a simple circuit as shown. How can she make the bulbs glow dimmer? Look at the figures. The correct answer will be option B. By replacing one cell with a piece of wire, the applied voltage would become lesser. Therefore, bulbs glow dimmer. So the answer will be option B. Thanks for watching.